Hello, Ignatius here from Jagaapp'S. This MCO period currently enforced in Malaysia is a good time to reflect on how we work and the tools that we have available to us to systematically monitor the work already done and the work to be done. I would like to talk to you a little about Jagaapp'S feedback function and how it can help residents, the management office, and committee in cataloging, tracking, responding, and managing tasks and issues within your neighborhood. On Jagaapp'S, every user can make feedbacks, which are systematically put into pre-decided categories depending on what has already been decided important. For example, our customers choose to categorize issues based on functions and types of issues, such as landscaping, cleanliness, lighting, and parking, just to name a few. As the management office personnel are also users registered to the management office, they too are able to log issues seen or shown to them during their weekly or daily inspections.
All right, here's a short demo on how it looks like when the management office personnel wants to submit a feedback. Let's say the building manager finds a lighting issue. In the title, he can put in the location of the issue, as well as in the comment box, he may put in some personal notes that he may refer to later. He can also choose to add in a picture from his gallery or take a picture directly from his mobile phone and click on submit. Great, the feedback has been created.
Having all these issues categorized on one platform is great, as it allows the building manager to delegate and effectively track the progress of each feedback card, ensuring nothing is left out through our feedback reports. Breaking these categories down should, however, not be done overly aggressively, as you don't want to end up with 30 categories and residents not able to tell categories apart. Remember, at the end of the day, we are still bound by the rubbish in, rubbish out rule. Besides being a work tool, our feedback report also serves as a report card for the management office personnel, whom complete many tasks and issues every day but go unrecorded. In my experience, the management office and committee are blamed for not being able to rectify issues quickly, and honestly, quite often by no fault of their own. Having accurate tracking and progress updates are important in situations like this, as it also serves as a protection to both the management office and the committee. Finally, Jagaapp'S feedback function allows the management office to help manage expectations of those people who make those feedbacks by utilizing the chat function on each feedback card. Keeping all parties up to date and managing expectations of residents, we hope that the issues within neighborhoods may be solved faster, leading to less misunderstandings. Through systematic categorization and cataloging of events and decisions through the use of Jagaapp'S feedback function and feedback reports, we aim to help both building management and committee members to make the best decision with the relevant and accurate data. As an existing Jagaapp'S site, if you have not already subscribed to the feedback function or would like to simply find out more information, please contact your Jagaapp'S group chat so that one of our crew can assist you. If you're not subscribed to Jagaapp'S, please contact our sales team for a no-obligation demonstration of our feedback function and many more features within Jagaapp'S today. Thank you.